If you're looking for tactical wallets, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2018. Top 10 Tactical Wallets Winter 2018. Number 1, Most Popular, by Dango Products. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by Spanker. Number 3, by Rapdom. Choose your favorite wallet. Click the circle for more stylish bags. Number 4, by Rapdom Tactical. Number 5, by Roco. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6, by Trayvax. Number 7, by GRYMSpot Tactical. Discover more tactical wallets ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8, by Magpool. Number 9, by Survival Hacks. The top 10 tactical wallets winter 2018 were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10, by Travelambo.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.